guys, and welcome to my channel. Today for 12 days of Christmas baking, I am making Kinder Bueno wafers, and for this you will need 200 grams of white chocolate, 200 grams of dark chocolate or milk chocolate. If you don't have dark chocolate, then you will need about 150 milliliters of water and 200 grams of sugar and 250 grams of butter and 600 grams of milk powder. I'm using skim milk, so I'm going to use the whole bag, and then I have 100 grams here. So we're going to start with melting these three ingredients together. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm going to melt butter with some water and sugar. And you want to melt this until it becomes somewhat bubbly, just like a gentle roll. And once you get it into gentle roll, you're going to add the powdered milk. And once you add the powdered milk, you want to use your hand mixer to mix it all in. Once it's all mixed in, you're going to take it and split it into two, the batter into two, and in one you'll put the white chocolate chips, and into the other you're going to put the milk chocolate chips or dark chocolate chips, depending on what you have. And then you're going to use your hand mixer again to mix it all in. The chocolate will melt since the batter is hot, so you want to do this immediately, right after you take it off the stove. Now it's time to assemble it. The wafers, I'm using store-bought wafers, and you're going to need 3 of them. I am using the open squares up, and you're going to spread all of the white batter as evenly as possible, and then you're going to cover it up with the flat surface to the bottom, and then so you have the open squares up again. And then you're going to spread the chocolate batter, the brown chocolate, the milk chocolate batter on top again, trying to get it as even as possible. And now your top wafer will go with the open squares down, so you have the flat on top. And now it's time to add something heavy and put it in a fridge to cool and set. So I'm just putting a piece of parchment paper on top of it, and I'm going to put my heavy bar stone on top of it and put it in a fridge. And then the next day I cut them up into long rectangles, and these tasted absolutely delicious. Well, I hope you had enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Recipe will be linked down below, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching.